All right, it's the maiden voyage of the camera. Got it installed. Gonna turn it on. It's on now. We're gonna be driving about 200 miles. See how it does. All right, here we go. Camera's on in the front of the truck. It's got a pretty nice clear view at the back. So we've been driving for about 45 minutes. First on a dirt road for a little bit, and then some county roads and state roads that were a little bit bumpy. And as you can see, it's winter time. It's 20 degrees Fahrenheit outside right now. We've had a good connection the whole time. You can see the bars in the upper left. My truck and trailer from here to the camera is probably about 30 feet. The camera's rated for more than that, but it has been a good signal this entire time. Initially, when we turned it on, there's lights on the camera. There's a little symbol up here at the top. I didn't realize it, but then we noticed it, so we turned that off. That should help save battery. And then at nighttime, if we need it, you can turn that back on for the camera. So we've got about a little over 3 more hours to go, and we'll see if the battery lasts the whole time. All right, we made it home after the first trip. Camera, it's at 2 bars left on battery, and it's still there, so that's good. Didn't fall off. Had a good strong connection with that magnet, so it worked pretty well. And then I'll show you what it looks like. So I'm looking out my truck window right now. It's fairly dark. It's not pitch black out, but it's fairly dark out. And the camera still showing pretty good light. So it's pretty good at gathering light in dark conditions. I can still see pretty well. So that's pretty nice. It is now 7:30. We've been home for a couple hours, and I left the camera on. It's down to 1 bar of battery. So that was from 12:30 to 7:30. So 7 hours. So I'd say expect it to run 8 or 9 hours. It's now 7:30 in January, so I'm looking out the window of my truck. It's pitch black outside. I turn the camera on and look at that view. That's pretty amazing. There's no lights on at all. So there is a light, which I'll turn on now. The upper right button, press and hold. So you can see the change there. So it kind of lights up right behind. And I can actually see the overall area a lot better if I have the light off, which I'll turn off there. So look at how good I can see. That's pretty cool. So I've got to back up my trailer now into the parking spot. And that's going to be pretty handy to have this camera so I don't run into any of those trees.